In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Retool to a REST API. We'll start inside your Retool workspace and set things up as a reusable resource, so you can plug the same API into multiple apps without repeating configuration. In Retool, resources act like centralized connections. You define settings once, and every app can use them safely and consistently. First, open Retool and head to the Resources section. This is where all connections live. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the correct organization and that you have permission to create resources. Next, create a new connection by selecting Create New and then choosing Resource. Retool will show you several resource types. Pick REST API. This tells Retool you're connecting to an HTTP-based service and lets you define defaults that apply to all requests. Now, fill in the key details. Give your resource a clear, descriptive name, something that teammates will recognize at a glance, like My API, or a name that matches your service. For the base URL, enter the root of your API. For example, https://api.example.com. Retool will use this as the foundation for all endpoints you call later, so you won't need to repeat it in each query. Add any default headers you want applied to every request. Common ones include content type, application/JSON, and an authorization header. If you're using a token, reference a secure variable rather than pasting the token directly, something like authorization bearer/API token. Using variables keeps sensitive values out of your app code and makes it easier to rotate credentials. Only include headers that truly belong on every call. Anything endpoint specific can be added later at the query level. If your API requires authentication, set it up in the authentication section. Retool supports methods like bearer token, basic auth, and OAuth 2.0, and it can securely store credentials or handle token refresh flows depending on your setup. Choosing an auth method here ensures the right credentials are attached automatically to every request that uses this resource. When everything looks good, save the resource. That's it. The API is now a reusable Retool resource. From here on, any app in your workspace can reference it, and all the defaults you set, like the base URL, headers, and authentication, will carry over. You'll be able to focus on specifying just the endpoint paths and parameters for each query, keeping your apps cleaner and your credentials secure.